We turn now to News 3's Marc Lovicott with more on exactly why the numbers keep changing. Mark?
Well, Susan, in the past, the public has paid little attention to what is called canvassing. It's what Jess was talking about, which is what happens to verify votes at the county level. Usually happens every Thursday after an election. But with a race as close as this one, canvassing is now in the spotlight.
Okay, Prosser 132, Nice 177, Pagel 104, Bruskowitz was 322 and 12, so that's 334.
It's all about the numbers and a little clerk humor.
Town of Vermont at 7:59 gave out their last ballot. Whoa. Told him he rocks. Yeah.
But this time, for one of the first times in her 23 years in the business, Dane County Deputy Clerk Karen Peters has an audience.
I think one time in all the years I've done Board of Canvass, we had someone in here. It's usually pretty uneventful.
Dane County, along with the state's other 71 counties, is canvassing. It happens every Thursday after an election, where officials verify the results municipalities reported on election night.
Town of Vienna.
Based on what the actual election documents say. There are always changes based on write-ins or clerical errors, but those changes now matter more than ever.
Because it was so close. Yeah, it could go either way now.
These citizens, many representing the Republican Party, say they wanted to act on their right and monitor the process.
Just trying to make sure, keep an eye on how the results are going, making sure, helping observe that everything's going fairly.
Even checking spellings on write-ins.
It's spelled Higginbotham.
An election as close as this, every spelling could perhaps matter.
Peters understands their interest with the close vote and the political environment we're in. She says she hopes their involvement sheds light on the democratic process.
It's good to see. I mean, I'm glad people are coming to learn the process.
As we mentioned, vote totals usually change during this process, but never really before have those changes mattered because no statewide vote has ever been this close. Dane County says they will continue their canvassing effort through tomorrow and report their results along with every other county to the GAB. Dane County says they are already preparing for a recount.
Marc Lovicott reporting tonight. Mark, thanks.
Sure.